enhancing efficiency in ATL labs across Andhra Pradesh with Tech Team Solutions. Atal Tinkering Labs (ATLs) have been established in over 14,000 schools across India, fostering innovation and hands-on learning among students. In Andhra Pradesh alone, Tech Team Solutions, Vishakhapatnam, has successfully set up ATLs in over 300 schools, covering key domains such as electronics, robotics, embedded systems, drones, 3D printing, and more. While the labs have been successfully established with proper training, maintaining their efficiency and usability presents a challenge. Challenges in maintaining ATL labs. Material mismanagement. Students frequently use ATL lab materials to build exciting projects but often fail to return them to their designated storage locations. Mixed resources. With over 300 plus different types of materials available in each lab, improper storage has led to materials getting mixed, making it difficult to identify or reuse them. Lack of monitoring. The absence of a dedicated ATL in charge or mentor has resulted in limited oversight of material organization and inventory management. Our solution: systematic lab segregation and organization. Tech Team Solutions is stepping in to address these challenges and ensure that ATL labs continue to serve as a hub of innovation. Our scope of work includes segregating materials. We carefully separate all mixed materials and organize them into individual covers for easy identification. White labeling for identification. Each material is labeled clearly, enabling students and mentors to locate items quickly and efficiently. Improved storage solutions. Materials are stored in designated storage boxes to keep them safe and organized. Inventory management system. We maintain a detailed Excel sheet inventory listing all available materials. This ensures that students can easily check, borrow, and return items with accountability. Our expert team visits your school to provide end-to-end lab reorganization services, completing the entire process in just one day. With a dedicated group of 3 to 4 professionals, we ensure efficient, cost-effective solutions tailored to the needs of schools across Andhra Pradesh and India. We offer these services at a nominal charge, making it easy for schools to maintain their Atal labs in top condition. If your school's ATL lab requires material segregation, reorganization, and improved inventory management, we are here to help. With our expertise and proven track record, we aim to empower schools to maintain their labs effectively, enabling students to focus on innovation without any hindrance. Contact Tech Team Solutions, Vishakhapatnam, today and let us help your ATL lab reach its full potential. Contact details: Dale 9951063369. Mail techteams@gmail.com. Thank you.